Coffee with the Editor is proudly brought to you by IRZ and the Railway Safety Regulator, RSR.
I'd like to say we're actually honored to be part of this project, to be included. And I'd like to congratulate the Limpopo Eco-Industrial Park, developers for initiating the project. I think it's one of these good projects, particularly for the country and the economy, as well as the environment, as you saw Jessica outlined. So this project we see is getting more and more recognition. It's been mentioned in the presidential priority growth projects, as Jessica outlined. And it's also one of the first solid waste eco-industrial park. Now, why does it resonate with Transnet? Because from our perspective, we're also looking at the environment. And also, you'll see our new locomotives that we brought in. They have 70% lower emissions than the trucks on the road. So for us, this resonates because we're looking after the environment. Also, it's the introduction of clean energy to the electricity grid, and this will enhance the attractiveness of this project. So, from a Transnet perspective, the Limpopo province is key to us achieving our goal of growing the South African economy, not only within South Africa, but also beyond our borders. You've no doubt seen the north-south corridor that we're developing, the congestion at the border. This is one of the longest corridors. It's 3,999 kilometers for those that don't know. It crosses 6 countries, and it goes down to 2 deep sea ports, which is Durban and Richards Bay. So in this project, being one of the initiatives, it's actually to have a safe, a seamless, predictable, competitive railway service that will also promote the preservation of our roads. So it's important that we preserve our road network, and also to use our rail infrastructure to unlock this initiative. In the area, we're also developing the Waterberg. You probably read about it in the press as well. This is to unlock the coal reserves in the Waterberg. Currently, as Transnet, we in the first of 5-stage process of expanding our network into the Waterberg. We're also pursuing various initiatives in the Limpopo province. I think you would have read recently about domestic and the export initiatives that we have. Recently, we had the movement of citrus fruit in the area by rail. So it's one of the initiatives that we're looking at. We're not moving away, but as our core, we'll continue to focus on the mining products. But there's a huge opportunity for growth in the general freight. And fruit we see as one of those initiatives. So recently we ran a successful a train from Messina down to Durban, and the service is running quite regularly. We're talking to associations such as the Citrus Growers Association to make sure that we're getting more of these products onto rail as opposed to the past. So this MOU provides an opportunity for us to explore opportunities. You've seen the ecosystem it's creating, which is great for the country. And through the establishment of this transport intermodal facility, it unlocks, the local economy, as Jessica, outlined. You can see the actual growth in the number of jobs that will be provided. And I think as Transnet, we're unapologetic about the growth of black businesses, SMMEs, and we also support the growth of local economies, local businesses. So our mandate comprises of job creation, which resonates with the project. You can see it's come since 2011. We've been part of this journey. It doesn't mean we signed at the end. We've been an add-on, so we've been part of the journey. We're also looking at, we support the skills development that will happen. We support the localization and the industrialization of the economy. So I think this historical MOU, it encompasses all of these attributes. It's one of its first, as Jessica has said, in South Africa. And I think as working together as partners, Transnet and the Limpopo Eco-Industrial, this project, the park, I think it will then revitalize the local economy. It will also help us develop the, as I said, the previously disadvantaged people and the community in the area. So in conclusion, we'll support the project as Transnet. We're also glad to be providing the rail service, so to actually enable that in this project. And as I said, this is something that we're pleased to undertake. So with that, we'll undertake the signing of the memorandum in support of the project. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tobias. It's really also a privilege for me to call